Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Avasthi. Welcome back to your own channel Maths in Minutes. Today we are here to discuss on the topic discount. If we see in our daily life, we go to a shopping and ask for various discounts from the shopkeeper. Then shopkeeper says that okay, you purchase this, we will provide you 10% discount or 20% discount. So what is this discount and where we apply? Before starting discount, let us understand few formulae and then we will relate these formulae with the practical questions. First, let us understand what is discount. Discount is a certain amount which has been reduced on an article on the marked price, right? So when we go to a shop and buy something, you must have heard that shopkeeper is allowing 10% discount or 20% discount on any article. So if we have MP, first thing that we should know is discount is always applied on the marked price, right? Now, when we have a marked price and from that marked price we reduce the discount, then we get the selling price. This is the very first formula of the concept. Next formula, if we are supposed to find out the discount percentage, then we have the formula discount upon marked price into 100. And here we will have percentage sign, right? Now, if we have the value of discount percent, if we have the value of marked price and we are supposed to find out the selling price, then we have one more formula for SP, which is 1 minus discount percent of MP, right? Now sometimes it happens that we are getting 2 or more than 2 successive discount on same item. Then we have to find out what is the selling price of that article after 2 or 3 successive discount. Then we have the formula 1 minus D1 upon 100, 1 minus D2 upon 100, so on of MP, right? Now let us understand the application of these formulae through the questions. Now here the question says a fan is marked at rupees 1500 and a discount of 20% is given. So let's write whatever is given to us. Marked price is rupees 1500 and a discount is 20% which is given to us. And what is the selling price? Just now we discussed the formula of the selling price. When we have direct discount percent given, this is the formula. So we are simply going to substitute this value and get the answer. Here it will be 20 upon 100 into 1500. We will take the LCM over here, which will give 100 minus 20 upon 100 of MP, that is 1500. 80 upon 100 into 1500. We will cancel the 0, 0, 0, 0. 15 into 80 is rupees 1200. 1200 is the selling price. Now, if we forget the formula, then how to do the question? No worries. If we forget the formula, just one thing we have to keep in mind, that the discount is applied on the marked price. So 1500 is the marked price and 20% discount is applied over here. So 0 and 0 got cancelled. We are left with 300. That means discount value is 300. And what is the selling price? From the marked price, we will reduce the discount and we get the same answer. Let's understand the next question. The question says an article was sold for rupees 704. That means the selling price is given to us rupees 704 after giving a discount percentage of 12. That means discount percentage is given to us, which is 12%, right? And on its marked price, obviously discount is always applied on marked price. What is the marked price? So value of marked price is asked. So we will apply the same formula. The formula is SP is equals to 1 minus discount upon 100 of MP. We are supposed to find out this MP where 704 is SP. 1 minus 12 upon 100 of MP, right? So further we will solve and we will get 100 minus 12, which is 88 upon 100 of MP. Now only MP is unknown. We will substitute this value 704 into 100 upon 88. We are going to just simplify. 11 8s are 11, 64s are, and 8 1s are 8 8s are. MP is, that means marked price is rupees 800. Now let's come to very interesting question. The question says the marked price of a radio set is rupees 480. Let us write whatever is given first. The MP is rupees 480. The shopkeeper allows a discount of 10%. So what is discount percent? 10%. We will write that also. And gain percent is 8. Right? That means when he is selling, he is allowing the discount also and is gaining 8% also. No discount is allowed. What would be his gain percent? Now, first marked price is given, discount percent is given. We can find out gain percent by our basic formula which we have done in a previous video. Gain upon CP into 100, right? Now in order to find out gain percent, we will require value of gain and value of cost price, right? From this MP and discount percent, we can find the selling price by using the formula. So let us apply the formula and get the value of SP. So 100 minus 10 will be 90 upon 100 into 480. When we will simplify, we will get 48 into 9, which is 432. Now this is SP. Now what we have? We have SP as 432. Now gain percent is 8%. Right. Now can we find cost price using SP and gain percent? Yes, we can find out. Again, we discussed the same thing in the previous video. What is the formula of cost price? When we are having SP and gain percent, formula is 100 upon 100 plus gain percent of SP. Simply we are going to substitute this value 8 of 432. So 100 upon 108 into 432, which we will simplify and get the answer as 400. Now we have cost price, we have selling price, we can easily find out gain. So SP minus CP, that means 432 minus 400 will give 32 as gain, and CP is 400. So let us substitute the value in this formula. So 32 upon 400 into 100. So this will get cancelled. 4 1s are and 4 8s are. Here we have the answer as 8%. Let's come to another variety of the question. The question says, what is the single discount equivalent to successive discounts? Now, as we just discussed, SP is equals to 1 minus D1 upon 100, 1 minus D2 upon 100 of MP, right? This is the formula when we have successive discounts. But we are not supposed to find SP here, we have to find equivalent discount. So we already have discussed about one more formula of selling price when we have discount percent. So we will apply that formula over here and we are going to substitute the values which is given to us. Here it is 30 upon 100 minus 10 upon 100 of MP, right? Now this MP and this MP will get cancelled. We will take the LCM over here. So L100 minus D upon 100 will be there is equals to 100 minus 30 will be 70 upon 100. 100 minus 10 will be 90 upon 100. I hope you know what I have done. I have taken the LCM over here, got this answer, right? This 100 and this 100 will get cancelled. With 10 got cancelled, 10 got cancelled. Left with 100 minus D is equals to 7 into 9. 100 minus 63 is equals to D, which is 37. So discount is 37%. So this was all about the discounts, the questions related to discounts. Please keep watching for these type of concepts. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.